So this is what flax seeds drink looks like, and it is really good and it's all good for you. Today I will be making a flax seeds drink, adding up Cadbury's hot chocolate and double cream and honey. So I will begin by roasting the flax seeds. Then first the gas is on, so the pan will be on the gas and it will be in the medium heat. Once the pan is a little bit warm, not too hot, just a medium low heat, then I add the flax seeds and roast until it just a little bit, not before it gets darker. Now this is my roast flax seeds. Then I'll just put this on the grinder and grind it. Now all is ready, looks powdery, all ready for use. አሁን ደብል ክሬሜን እዚህ ትንሽ ጨምራለሁኝ። ፍላክስ ሲድ የፈጨሁትን በምፈልገው መጠን እንደዚህ እዚህ ላይ ጨምራለሁ። ከዛ okay, I spoke in Amharic, then I'm going to say this: there is cream and flax seeds in there. So I just put the amount I needed, flax seeds and some cream. So I will whisk this until it gets fluffy. Okay, now the cream and the flax seeds mix it. It looks like this. I can say it's whisked like for a minute, not too thick, but just like that. And now I'll add the cranberry powder, just like the amount I want. There, like how you make a hot chocolate drink. So I'll add that in there, and I'll pour hot water, boiled water. And I'll add some honey. Because flaxseed is good for your sights as well, for your eyesight. Honey. And I'll add the flaxseed in the cream mix into my drink. And the rest I'll keep it for, if it's too much, the rest I'll keep it for another time. So what I have already here is enough. So mix all the way through. Then that's what it looks like. So this is what flax seeds drink looks like, and it is really good and it's all good for you.